My name is Allende Simon. I'm co-founder, president, and director of partnerships with Pathway Community Foundation. Today, we're in the beautiful city of Charlotte as part of our site visits for Cohort 4 of the HBCU Smart Cities program. We have students from South Carolina and North Carolina coming together to solve pressing issues for the city of Charlotte. Some focused on mobility in 15-minute cities, and others working on a closed language learning model that will focus on helping departments within the city. Excited today just to showcase what the students have worked on, excited to work with our city stakeholders, and excited to have our fellows really display all of the work they've been working on for the last 4 weeks.
Hi, my name is Hillary Aboa, and I am the product student coach. My main goal is to make sure they ask the right questions, but also give a taste about what are we presenting as prototypes. I want today to be an experience where they remember it, but they also answer the why is my prototype important?
My name is Jamar Davis, work with the City of Charlotte as a Smart Charlotte Project Lead. We're housed under the Innovation and Data team, under the Innovation and Technology Department, wrapping our minds in reworking one, how we engage with residents, utilizing, and when we're talking about deploying technologies, making sure that we have residents at the forefront. We started our work around digital equity and inclusion. And so now, as things have shifted, we have shifted in a way that is about making sure that the residents are informed about public-facing technologies, but also making sure that we are efficient in how we operate as a government. I think it's important when we have college students engaging because we want to have a fresh set of minds, a fresh set of eyes when we're talking about solving problems that are best for residents. Sometimes we have to get out of our own silos to be able to do that, to hear the next generation.
Hi, my name is Precious Charista Duran. I represent the Johnson C. Smith University. I am currently a junior and I will be graduating in 2027 as a public health major. So today, I am meeting my team member for the first time.
My name is Nala Palabie Collins. I am a freshman at the illustrious North Carolina Central University. My major is cybersecurity with an interest in real estate, and my expected graduation year is 2029.
The name of my group is Smart CLT, and we're just going to have interviews and open questions with the city stakeholders.
Excited to talk about it with city officials.
With the personal data in mind, are there any other problems that you believe that might happen?
It's mostly that so much of our data is inputted manually when it comes to 311 in particular.
I'm even going to be excited to hike in my heels just to learn more about the city,
Also, we're on a site visit where we'll go around the city of Charlotte and broaden our knowledge about transportation and get more information to solve our problem statements. The city of Charlotte is having challenges in securing their data and also accessing precise data to solve resident issues in technology.
So right now we're trying to figure out a solution for what to do when our residents have questions about the city. Whether it's them needing to have trash pickup, whether it's them requesting for local police services, whether it's them just wanting to know about more of the city. What we're suggesting is we can build a kiosk that uses a LLM, which is like a private chat GPT, and the residents can just go up there and ask its questions.
My name is Teresa Thompson. I go to Benedict College. I'm a computer science major and I graduate May 2027. I'm part of Team 1. We're developing a solution for the city of Charlotte where persons can choose walking, biking, and other transportation other than driving.
I am Power Stone. I'm currently a junior environmental engineering major at Benedict College and I graduate in May 2026.
My name is Donald Williams. I come from the amazing Benedict College. My major is computer science, and I'm a senior graduating in May 2026.
Today, we are going to meet our stakeholders. Hopefully, I get a lot of good information to take away and improve our project. So far, we have a general idea of our problem statement, and we have an idea of what kind of solution we want to do.
The problem that we're trying to solve is
A lot of people in Charlotte, about 75% of them take single rides. Nobody wants to walk, nobody wants to bike, nobody really takes public transportation. And we want
to get the ratio from 70% to 50%. So it's a 50% to 50% ratio to driving and walking our public transport.
The most thing that I'm most excited about is learning just the neighborhoods, the infrastructure of everything, and just the dynamics, what different resources that they have near them, so that way we can really have a deeper understanding of what the neighborhoods are like.
We're thinking about building an app. One side of the app would be focused towards the stakeholders, improving infrastructure and helping them with the barriers. And then another side would be for the residents, giving them reasons to actually not take those single rides.
With what the students have presented so far, my heart is completely full with what I've seen.
I listened as they were engaged, and I realized that these fellows are literally next generation leaders.
They all come from different backgrounds when we're talking about areas of study. And so to be able to kind of hone in on local government, I think they really hit the mark. Not only were they asking the right questions, but they were also prompted in a way with the assistance from Pathways Community Foundation staff too. There's obviously some learning that they have done to prepare for this day, and it just really resonated.
This trip is going to help us build our solutions because we get a deeper understanding of what a 15-minute neighborhood is like.
Specifically where the area we were showed the different Walmart from the apartment building, it wasn't as accessible as persons would have wanted to be. So I definitely think there's something that could be improved on the walkability for different areas. Just having the experience to see from our resident point of view, just walking around, put into perspective how we can actually develop our solution to help see that.
I lived through it and I never really realized the importance of how adding those little things could just completely change your experience. I never lived in a walkable city, so little stuff like sidewalks, pedestrian crossings, less cars on the road, they really make a huge difference, and they really have a huge impact on our experience in living in communities. I definitely want to live somewhere that's walkable, and I feel like everybody in Charlotte should have that same experience.
So we had a wonderful day here at the city of Charlotte. We got a chance to get out into the field, meet with city stakeholders, and actually get a better understanding of some of the most pressing issues that Charlotte deals with. I want to say thank you to City of Charlotte's Innovation and Technology Department, as well as CDOT, the Charlotte Department of Transportation, for being such gracious hosts. A special thank you to Pernell Brown, Jamal Davis, and Rachel Stark, who supported this effort. We're really excited about our fellows, what they'll take back from today as they continue working on their solutions for our grand finale event in April.